Hi and welcome back on my channel Digital Toolcase. Are you ready for the launch of ClickFunnels 2.0? Yes, I received 2 days ago an email from Russel Bunson. It's finally time. If you haven't heard by now, we are officially launching ClickFunnels 2.0 and so on. Now, they are talking about ClickFunnels from the last year. If you go here on this ClickFunnels blog, you can see sneak peek ClickFunnels 2.0. And this article was written on January 25, 2022. There will be many new things inside ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels is not a tool that everyone can use. It's the most famous funnel builder, but it's also quite costly. So if you are just at the beginning, maybe it's not the right solution for you. And as you can see, there will be a new funnel hub, a visual automation builder. It will have a faster load speed, a CRM funnel, team collaboration, e-commerce futures, cart funnels, new course builder, new blog builder, new page builder, sophisticated email workflows, so you will not need an external email marketing system, membership sites, email broadcasts, customer center, universal elements, real-time analytics, simultaneous page editing, sophisticated funnel flows, and this is more or less what you will find in ClickFunnels 2.0. I don't have access to the platform as of today, but I will participate to this new launch. And as you know, Russel Bunson is one of the greatest marketers in the world, so he decided not to release directly ClickFunnels 2.0, but launch the new platform together with a 5 days live challenge. It's free, so I highly suggest you to participate to this 5 days challenge. You can find the link here below in the description. It's my affiliate link. You don't pay nothing because this challenge is free. It will last 5 days. Join your first funnel challenge for free. Obviously, what he wants to do is to teach the new platform and give you the opportunity even to test the new platform, I think for 30 days, but only if you will choose one of their new plans. But anyway, this 5 days challenge is free, and I want to participate because there is always something to learn from these people, from Russel Bunson and from other guest speakers in this challenge. For example, Diamond John, or for example, these guys. These speakers will teach you something inside this 5 days challenge. They obviously are long-time ClickFunnels users, so they know how to build a funnel depending on the type of business you have. And this is why I want to participate. I also want to participate because I'm really curious to try the platform and maybe record a video and show you how ClickFunnels 2.0 is. These are the details of the 5 days. On day 1, funnel hacking, so funnel hacking 101, how to ethically steal from what's working right now, what funnel is right for your offer, plus tons of funnel examples. On day 2, your first funnel, they will teach you how to build a good funnel and even email follow-ups, and they will be included in the new platform, as we saw before. On day 3, hook story offer. This is the template that Russel Bunson is always using in his ads, for example, but even in his funnels. unique hook, how to create your story, why most big ideas are not big enough, and so on. On day 4, irresistible ads, so they will teach you to generate winning video ads for your offers. And on day 5, do it now to conclude this 5 days challenge. Attending this challenge, you will achieve a crystal clear direction for you and your business, feel confident you are making the right moves, have a step-by-step action plan, gain the drive and motivation to build the business of your dreams. And then you will have also some free bonuses. For example, bonus 1, a virtual event with the world's greatest funnel builders. And this is even better than the normal 5 days challenge because, as you can see, Dean Graziosi, Grant Cardone, Russel Bunson himself, and so on. So this is a really good bonus. Bonus 2, make sales even if you don't have a product. They will talk about affiliate marketing using funnels. Bonus number 3, special funnel install session. They will help you to install your funnels, and so on. As you can see here, other guys that will participate in this big event that will launch the new version of ClickFunnels. Obviously, this is something that only Russel Bunson could do. So launch a new version of his platform in a very big way. Again, you can find the link to subscribe to this 5 days challenge. It's free. Thank you if you will use my link because you will help me to grow my channel. I will participate and I hope I will have the chance to try ClickFunnels 2.0, make a video and show you how this new version is. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you inside this 5 days challenge. Thank you again and see you soon in another video.